Jake wakes up early. It is his first day of school. He feels excited. He also feels a little nervous. Jake sits up in bed. He looks at the clock. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Jake gets out of bed. He stretches his arms. He walks to the bathroom. Jake brushes his teeth. He uses a blue toothbrush. He washes his face. Jake looks in the mirror. He smiles. "Today is a big day," he says. Jake goes to his room. He picks his clothes. He wears a white shirt. He wears blue jeans. He puts on red shoes. Jake goes to the kitchen. His mom is there. She smiles at him. "Good morning, Jake," she says. "Good morning, Mom," Jake says. Jake sits at the table. He eats breakfast. He eats eggs and toast. He drinks orange juice. Jake finishes his food. He feels ready. Jake gets his backpack. It is black and big. He puts in his books. He puts in a pencil. Jake goes outside. The air is cool. The sun is bright. Jake walks to the bus stop. He waits for the bus. He looks around. The bus comes. It is big and yellow. The door opens. Jake gets on the bus. He sits by the window. He looks outside. The bus goes to school. Jake sees many houses. He sees trees and cars. The bus stops at the school. Jake gets off the bus. Jake walks inside. He sees many students. They talk and laugh. Jake goes to his classroom. His teacher smiles. "Welcome, Jake," she says. Jake smiles back. Jake sits at his desk. He feels happy. First, he has English class. Then he has math. After that, he has science. Jake listens to the teacher. He writes in his notebook. At lunch, Jake eats with new friends. They talk and laugh together. Jake feels good. He is not nervous now. At the end of the day, Jake smiles. His first day is great.